Hello. Welcome back, year 3, warm-up 6. We're carrying on from what we did yesterday, but this time I only want you to write out your 5 times table once. All right, so grab your pencil and paper, pause the screen, write out your 5 times table, and then press play, and we'll go through what I want you to do today. All right, great. So hopefully you've written out your 5 times table, and you can see the first example that I want you to go through is 24 multiplied by 5. So using your times table, I want you to think about, once you partitioned the 24 into 20 and 4, I want you to think about what 20 multiplied by 5 is. And if you know that 10 times 5 is 50, if you double the 10 you get 20, which means you can double your answer to get 100. So that you know now 20 multiplied by 5 is 100, and you know that 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. So if you add those together, you get 120. And that is 24 multiplied by 5. Okay, so for your warm-up now, you can see I've written out your 5 times table, and here I've said 20 multiplied by 5, which we now know is 100. So, using this multiplication table here, I want you to have a go. If you can do it in your head, fantastic. All right, so if you can, for that first one, if you can say, well, that 20 times 5 is 100, and this 6 multiplied by 5 is 30, 100 add 30 equals, bang, write the answer in. All right, so I want you to do that for these 5, and then once you've done that, obviously, before you work them out, pause the screen, and then press play when you want to go through the answers. Okay, fab. So we did the first one then initially together, so hopefully you all got 130. Next one, 19 multiplied by 5. Well, I could, if I wanted, go straight to 20 times 5 is 100, and then take away 5 to get 19 times 5. 28 times 5, well, I need to use 20 times 5 and 8 times 5. Add them together, that's 140. 15 multiplied by 5 is 75. And the last one, again, I'm going to use 20 times 5 and I'm going to use 7 times 5. Add those together, I get 135. So this is just a different way of multiplying a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number when we've always got the same number in that column. Okay, guys? So well done today. Now I want you to go into your lessons for year 3 and find lesson 6.